Hello and welcome back to Grace by God, One Song, One Truth. Today's song is 305. Le Tama wa maua, lenei. Father, from you I have received this new day. Here's the melody. Le Tama This is one of the songs that our Samoan elders sang in their early morning devotions before the day breaks. It acknowledges that each new day is a gift from God, and that only God can make it good. Not only is each day a gift from God, but each day is also under God's control. This song reminds us of a beautiful truth and a great promise in Romans 8:28. And we know that in all things, God works for the good of those who love Him and are called according to His purpose. That's the truth that we can rest on, that God is sovereign over all, and He ordains pain and suffering and even evil for our good. So until the next song, may God keep you and make His face to shine upon you. Take care and God bless.